In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your Google Workspace for maximum productivity. We'll streamline your Gmail, Calendar, Drive, Docs, Sheets, Meet, and your task tools so everything works together and you can reclaim your focus. Start by taming your inbox in Gmail. Create clear labels like Clients, Finance, Content, and Urgent, and use them consistently so messages have a home. Build filters to auto-sort incoming mail by sender, keywords, or subject, so priority items rise to the top without you lifting a finger. Star the messages that truly require follow-up to create a quick action list. Save time with templates for repeated replies, such as onboarding messages or status updates. And instead of deleting, archive messages so your inbox stays clean while everything remains searchable. For extra control, turn on undo send and enable keyboard shortcuts to speed through triage. Next, plan your time in Google Calendar. Set up separate calendars for work, personal, and content. Then color code them so your day is easy to scan. Add recurring tasks for routines like weekly reporting or content drafting. And set reminders, say 10 minutes or an hour beforehand so nothing slips. Use focus time blocks for deep work and time block your day so your priorities are scheduled, not just listed. Move on to Google Drive and create a simple, durable folder structure. Clients, marketing, admin, finance, so files are predictable and easy to find. Use consistent file naming like dates or version numbers to avoid duplicates. Share folders instead of individual files to keep access organized, and set permissions carefully, viewer, commenter, or editor, based on what people need. If you work with a team, shared drives keep ownership centralized and reduce lost documents. In Google Docs, start from templates for proposals, reports, or SOPs to standardize quality. Use comments and suggesting mode to collaborate without overwriting work. Apply headings so the document outline becomes a built-in navigation panel, and insert checklists to capture action items. This setup is perfect for SOP creation, blog writing, contracts,